This video will explain about pass data by value to a function. So what does it mean by pass data by value to a function? Let's say you have an integer variable with the name x with the initial value of 8, okay, and then you have a function. Let's say the name of the function is my function, which does not return anything, okay, which does not return anything, and it has one parameter. Okay, the parameter variable is a, and you want to output what is a, what is being sent to this function, okay, and you want to output. There is a very simple function, and you want to call that function and pass x. Okay, so you declare a variable x and then you pass to a function. This x will be passed to a, and then it will display it. So let's run the code, and what you will see is that it will display it. Okay, it will display it because of this. Now let's try and have some output here. Begin. Okay, and then you display cout x, because you want to know what is x. Of course, x from here is 8. Okay, now you cout again after function call. Okay, after function call, or here you can see before function call. Okay, after function call, and you want to display what is x again. Okay, you want to display what is x again. Okay, so this is inside the function. So here you can output inside function. Okay, and then you try this. Of course, when you run the program, you will see that the value is actually here before function call, which is this one, and then you have x, which is 8, and then you call the function, and then it will jump into that function. Okay, when pass the value of x to a. So inside the function, it will display this, and then it will display a, which is the value from x copied to a. Okay, then when you finish, you will exit the function. Okay, exit the function, and it will resume the operation right after this, and it will display after function call, which is this one, and then it will display x, which is this. Okay, x is still 8. Now let's try the situation is happening, the thing is happening like this. So you have what you have is actually x with the value of 8. Okay, so x with the value of 8. Okay, and this is in the main function. When you call the function, you are declaring, if you look at this one, a, you are declaring another variable called a, and then because you send x, again, because you send x to this function, what you are doing is actually you are copying the value of 8, the value of x into a. Okay, which is now you are getting the value of x into a. Okay, so that is what happening there. Okay, now let's say you modify this, you modify a to become 3. okay, or let's say 1, okay, and then you output after modify, and after modify you output A. So what you will see here is that when you run the program, okay, when you run the program, what you will see here is that, okay, you are calling the function, okay, before function call, then you display x, and then you call the function, you pass the value of x, which is what you are doing here. You are passing the value to here, okay, and then inside here, inside function you have value of 8, which is you are getting from here, okay, you're getting from here. Now you display 8. Now you modify A to become 1, okay, so you modify A to become 1, okay, now you have modified A to become 1. After modify, it will display after modify, and then A is changed to 1. And then when you exit the function, it will go back to this line, okay, and display this after function call, which is this one, display x, which is 8, because x is still 8, okay. So that is what it means by passed by value, pass data by value to a function. So what no matter what changes you make to this A, it will not affect the original value of x.